What's going on, everyone? It's Ozzy from OzTalksHW, and over the last few weeks I have been working on a secret collaboration with a few other tech YouTubers. You can probably recognize some of them, but it's myself, JD from JD Tech Gear, Matt from Tech by Matt, Danny from Nerd on a Budget, Zach from Zach's Tech Turf, and Matt and Jackson from the Toasty Bros. We are currently in a competition to see who can build the best themed PC, and all of the videos detailing the process and the final product will be out a week from today, Sunday, June 3rd, so get hyped for that, and make sure you subscribe to each of us so you know exactly when each of the videos will be coming out. Now I'm going to let all the other contestants explain the rules and how this entire process works.
The theme of this collaborative competition is superheroes. Each of us has selected a superhero to base our themed build around. We thought it'd be fitting with the recent release and excitement around the newest Avengers movie if each of us chose a hero within the Avengers universe. This was also partially done so that we could call ourselves the Techvengers.
To keep things as fair and cohesive as possible, we decided to use the same case as a blank canvas. That case is the In-Win-101. The In-Win-101 is a very well priced mid-tower case with a minimalistic design and tempered glass. This provides a really good foundation and plenty of opportunity to be creative.
We decided to set a max budget of $150 for the mods. This does not include the cost of any core PC component, as this competition is based purely on aesthetics. All aesthetic components like RGB fans or LED strips, or even disposables like glue and paint will be counted towards the $150 budget.
Alright, the rules are simple. Create the best themed PC you can within the set budget and time frame. Specialty tools are allowed as long as the contestant is the one using them. The only tool we have banned from the use of this competition is a 3D printer or vinyl cutter, anything in that sort of nature. Custom loops are allowed, however, but must be accounted for within the budget, so use that budget wisely, and any of the components that you use are fair game, but judging will be based on aesthetics alone, not performance.
The winners will be decided through a community vote, and we're recruiting a special guest to help present all of the builds in a single video. This way you can see all of the builds one after another and decide which one you like the best and which one you're going to vote for. Once the voting period is completed, we'll announce the winners through social media.
So those are the rules, and those are the contestants for the competition. Don't forget, Sunday, June 3rd is the day that all of this will be unveiled, and you guys will be able to vote who you think has the best themed computer. Make sure that you subscribe to each of us. All of the links for the channels will be in the description below, so you are bombarded with notifications of superhero themed builds. Until next time, I'll see you guys later. Peace.
We have a hope.